Hi, my name's Joel. I'm from Chongqing High School, Maine, and here I'm going to share my story with you. Uh, well, for English, I never really had a problem with composition or expository writing, but my comprehension was just horrendous, absolutely horrendous, and I just could never pass the comprehension in school. I didn't know the issue. That is until I enrolled into EduH. Yes. Just like any other kid that you can find in the neighborhood, I enrolled because my mother did it for me. But I probably it's one of the best decisions my mother has made for me in an entire life. Uh, EduH is really fun. The lessons are extremely engaging, and Mr. Cheng, the tutor, and Miss Yu were very supportive and really helped me pull up my grades and give me the confidence that I could do well for English. Yeah. The formulas that they gave were extremely concise and very easy to follow. And as long as you actually study these formulas and you can practice also, you'll do well for English, I'm sure. Thus, with the support of the program in EduH and the teachers of EduH, I was able to achieve a 5-band improvement from a C6 to an A1 in the GCE O-level exams. I'm really thankful for EduH for allowing me to get this grade. I recommend EduH for just about every student that's struggling with English. I really hope you would come and you can achieve the same grade as I did.